creating intelligent, energy-efficient buildings that are not over-engineered. Sounds contradictory at first. Not quite. For a building to be intelligent, safe, and energy-efficient, it must be networked. To make this possible easily and inexpensively, we have developed a system called JUNG HOME. Minimally invasive solutions are particularly in demand in existing buildings. Therefore, we utilize the existing infrastructure and digitize it through intelligent inserts. The JUNG HOME system is based on communication via Bluetooth mesh, which is an open standard. Specifically, this means that every component, from switches and motion detectors to sockets, receives and forwards the signal. This creates a wireless network that forms the basis for a wide range of functions. Depending on the required functions and the existing wiring, the appropriate system module is selected. Switching, dimming, or controlling shading and temperature. Everything is wired as usual with the standard 230-volt cabling. With the new digital infrastructure, for example, lighting or shading can be controlled automatically, the temperature can be regulated individually, or other devices can be operated. Whether individually or cleverly linked together into scenes, whether in a single room or across multiple floors. The application examples can be combined and thus always adapted to the individual building and living requirements. Afterwards, the cover is simply attached and the functions can be set up using the JUNG HOME app. The covers are available in the JUNG A, CD, and LS990 series. In addition to plastic and genuine metal versions, the classic LS990 is also available in the 63 colors of Les Couleurs Le Corbusier. You can find further links below this video. If you need more information or have any questions, we would be very happy if you contact us at architects@jung.de.